dollar for your services and create a real, reliable income stream helping others. And so it's all in one dashboard. All you have to do is follow 3 simple steps to make the fixes and collect the payments. It's very easy. Step 1. Hit search and the AI finds businesses and recognises the issues that need to be fixed in their listings. Step 2. Use our proven templates to connect the client and give them a report on their issue. Step 3. Fix the issues with the listings and collect the payments. Each of these steps contains a ton of technology that's been perfected to automate the entire process in just a few clicks. Enjoy the results and let the software do all the hard work for you. That's it. Simple, right? Become the hero business owners have been hoping for without any hassle. Before I go, another thing I want you to understand. Fixing these faulty GMB listings is an opportunity no one else is talking about. If you aren't taking advantage of the opportunity to rank in online searches, you're missing the chance to reach leads, attract in-store traffic, and generate revenue. When you optimize your listing correctly, you can help your client's business compete with more prominent brands. And GMB Snap takes care of everything you could possibly think of. It's 100% automated and easy to use software. It has specific location targeting. It creates high authority citations. It creates high authority backlinks. It creates maps with videos and images. It ranks for multiple keywords at once. It supports spin tags in all fields. It has article spinner software built in. Finds and populates business data automatically. Suggests nearby locations to target rankings. Pings your maps links to get indexed. And the list goes on and on. It has everything. When you give your client exactly what they need, nothing can stop you from making sales. You can easily sell GMB optimization services to clients with poor rankings as soon as you connect with them, almost like you read their mind. Set this up today and you could be tapping into billions of people around the world. GMB Snap comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. You have 30 days to try and test it risk-free. The need for this is bigger than ever. There was a 61% increase in calls from Google My Business from January 2021 to July 2021. Every business must have their maps and Google My Business optimized and get on Google Local 3-Pack. This is the fastest way for businesses to get more clients and orders, and you'll be there to help. Businesses are happy paying big bucks for GMB optimization. It's the most valuable service businesses need right now, more than ever. So waste no more time. Grab GMB Snap now. You can finally separate yourself from the crowd by offering businesses a service they need and that they're willing to pay big bucks for. We can't wait to see you making super money and create a lifestyle you desire with this breakthrough software.